Welcome back viewers and subscribers to another video on Wull. So today we are going to talk about enough interesting topics like Marion Hall, known as Lady Say 50 Cent or Lisa Hype says she love the Gak 3000. So subscribe guys, we are going to jump in. Okay guys, so we could jump right into the video quick. So Marion Hall, formerly known as Lady claims that 50 Cent has some money for her. Yes, me. So me I say for compensate her in regards to some song where I'm using a power. So I make on the ear what she say. So guys, she said I know you got some money for me for using one of my songs in one of your power episodes. Or you might have given it to someone who's been taking my money and not giving it to me. Basically she said she not getting the money there. So yes, me know when you look and I can't see. So she said or any other songs that was past using the other movie, cause she not get nothing. So she said I wrote it, I sang it, and I check if I check back I might have produced it too. Wow. So I used to go by the name of Lady Sir. With all due respect, I need to know who to go to so I can collect what is mine. I know you're a respectable businessman and I wouldn't mind if you could produce a movie about my life. I also went ahead and said look me up and see if my story interests you. I did send you a private message before, but I know you must have gotten so many messages that some get lost in the trash. I hope this one don't. My email is marionhallministry@gmail.com. I'm now a preacher and gospel artist. Blessings overflow. Yeah man people, so I mean the Power series, it's actually a big movie. Enough people know it, enough people fascinated when it just released. So if she did say she play hard, should have just flag that song there and the series they are that said scene there or whatever would have forget delete full time, but she take it in a different and so we'll see how 50 Cent react to this. We just watch and see. Anyways, I think the need for see that video, yeah. You see me? Lisa Hyper herself showing how she do it right on the John.
I have nothing in here for sure, We should have one banana or something for sure. I real talk. Wait. Why you say me a Ginal? I'm not Ginal. I the truth me attack. When them come and I look pretty giving head. Nothing not pretty about giving head. Nothing not pretty, cause if you not make eye water run down your face when you're deep throat it eye water fear run down. Make the man feel powerful. Lord God. Make the man feel powerful. Get a 2. Which can say get a 2-liter water. Which can you go block you? Eh? Yeah. Smile. You have to cry. You have to cry. Hey. When the boy see eye water run down your eye, when you come some boat that in your throat, all when you know feel like you got chew up your man go say bumbo clot. All when you feel like you make it look like the would kill you. Boots up them ego. Our reach just Fabi, what do you pronounce your name? Fabian here. Fabian. Our reach this me just ask her Tony, me just ask her how she reach there, so. Well, sure answer, but suppose you vomit by accident. If you vomit by accident, that's even better because you can't tell him say I'm the biggest food in the world. No, sir. I can't, but yeah, I can't. But say, you got blood clot vomiting a good day. You can't tell one time I'm the biggest food in the world and move your blood clot ego gone way up in the sky. And what you say? Can't stay there. Some girl boy never get head. Oh, I look pretty giving head. Move your blood clot. Not pretty about giving head. Cause if you not take, well, if him would not stiff and, sturdy, you can't go take it and box yourself in your face 2 times and beat it by your lip. Beat it by your lip and all your tongue and take it and go so. And box yourself in your face with it and go so. Murder! I can't bother. So hold on there. So you cannot get head and now box up yourself. You have to box up yourself, girl. You have to box up yourself. Nobody make him do it. You do it. You have to box up yourself, girl. Have to box up yourself. Take it and all wipe on your face and you have to do it with passion, girl. Passion. If you're not going to do it with passion, love it. Just love it. No make no sense. If you're not going to do it with passion, love it. Yeah, that's why I must say. That's why I must say liquor would give me nervous breakdown. Because you can't do that with a liquor wood. You can't do that with a... Father! You can't do that with a liquor wood. That's why I must say. So I must say, liquor wood give me nervous breakdown. You can't go do that with a liquor wood.
It sounds like somebody else. Hold on, the camera.
Are you doing show? Yes, I'm doing show. Yeah, you have to do it with passion, make them sing, but Father God, I gotta come off and alive here. No. I see through me well faced, me not have no manners. So I not wait for him to do it. I just take it and beat it by my lip. Beat it. Beat. Box myself 2 times. When me done makeup, fuck up. Makeup fuck up, ugly as fuck. Ugly as fuck. What? If you're not slurp it, just leave it alone. If you're not gonna slurp, and I wouldn't have no reason for going. So if you're not gonna make all them sound there, I make it. What the blood? Make no sense. Don't laugh with that, Shani Marshall. Don't laugh with that. I trouble me kind of live in trouble. Me have extension tongue. Yeah, my tongue can extend. See, all when me really like you. When me really like you, me want prove a point. Them say first impression last. Two have to curl up. Two have to curl up. When I say curl up, two have to curl up. What you talking about? Uncle, come off of the life, Uncle. You're not supposed to hear these things. You're not supposed to hear these things, Uncle. Yeah. I come some bombs and buck that in my throat and go some rock it 2 times. Rock it 2 times. And come up back and him say beer I water run out. Eh?